Hi there, Mark Carlson here. So you're here watching this video because you're interested in doing my dreams basic workshop. And so a little bit of information about it. You know, Carl Jung said, not looking at your dreams is like getting the most important letter that you've ever received and not opening it. So there's power in that. It takes 13 billion brain cells to initiate a dream. That's before it starts moving. So that your psyche, your unconscious, is going to a lot of trouble to get you to look at your dreams. You don't just have a dream. Your dreams are your greatest guidance system. There isn't anything that you know that isn't guiding you better and more accurately than your dreams. So learning what they mean and learning how to follow them, learning their feelings, learning the language of the dream, because it's not the same language, otherwise it would be easy, right? That's why you look at the dream and you try and interpret it using the language that you're consciously using as a human being, but it's a completely different language. It works in symbols and feelings. And so in this workshop, I'm going to teach you how to interpret the basic method. It's an ongoing process. I'm still learning and I will never stop learning. There's so much involved. But learning the basics will change your life because you'll have in your hand the greatest tools for your guidance system. You're going to learn how to interpret your dreams, or the beginning of it, learning how to interpret them, how to feel them, how to petition for a dream, how to ask for a dream, and how to remember your dreams. A lot of people can't remember them, but we dream minimum of 3 dreams every night, every single night. It's just whether you remember them or not. So if you're considering coming, I hope this has inspired you to come, or maybe not. Either way, I hope it's helped you with your decision. If you are coming, I really look forward to seeing you soon, and have an absolutely great day today. Thank you.